Y'all, I'm nervous. Okay. Woo! Whoa! Wait. Stop.
If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10.
As you know, I'm going to be doing the Aphogee protein treatment. I think I've done this one other time before in my life because I usually do a DIY protein mask. I have that up on my channel if you're interested. The first thing I did was shampoo my hair. I used the Aussie Moist shampoo because I didn't want to buy the Aphogee shampoo and conditioner. If you want to do that, then that's on you. And so my hair is just freshly shampooed and I sectioned it into 4 sections. So this is what this pack says to do. Let me like break this up. So yeah, be careful because you would cut yourself in half with the packet. This is what it looks like. I didn't want to get the bigger one. I just kind of wanted to try this one first. And I think these 2 packs together were about $4. It says shake well before use. Okay. Gently cleanse hair with Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. I didn't do that. I used a regular shampoo. Rinse thoroughly and towel blot dry. Apply enough Aphogee protein treatment to thoroughly saturate hair and comb blend through. What? Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Seat client under medium heat dryer with high airflow. Alternatively, use a hand dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated while drying. So after I put this in my hair, I have to go rinse it out warm water and then put this. Since I didn't condition my hair after I shampooed, I just shampooed, came back, putting this in. Then I'm going to go rinse it out, put this in. After I rinse this out, I'm going to go deep condition. After I deep condition, I'm going to do the lock method and then do my twists. Hope that didn't confuse y'all. If it did, I'm sorry. Started set shake well, so great. Now that's done. I'm nervous, y'all. I never, ever comb my hair. Boom. But I got to comb because that's what it said to do. And I'm going to follow directions. Period. Shampoo just rubs me the wrong way. It genuinely rubs me the wrong way. With my curly hair, I usually just finger detangle. My hair has been like breaking off. It feels really brittle. And I kind of feel like I'm doing a moisture overload. I deep condition every single week. And I haven't done a protein treatment in months. So, you know, why not? It stinks. Well, I kind of like that smell. It's kind of disturbing. Let it go. All right, y'all. I'm nervous. Okay. Woo! Whoa! Wait. Stop. It's watery. I feel like I gotta move fast. Let me hurry up. I don't want it to dry and then comb it. Y'all, this is stressing me out. Ooh, I'm stressed out. Yeah, this combing out, this ain't gonna really work. I'm a finger detangle and it's gonna be that on that. It says comb, so should I comb? See, I don't like the breakage, girl. Like, all down my spine. I have a brush, but I'm... Oh, freak no. Oh, baby, what is you doing? Kind of scared, but that section's done. On to the... Then go through with the comb. It just said comb, so I'm assuming finger combing works as well. Y'all, my hair, if you want to know what this feels like, it feels like torture. Because my hair is already not like moisturized. It's like very... like tangly and dry from me just shampooing. It foams up from water. It's confusing. Hooded dryer, but I'm not getting that out. I'm just not doing it. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use a handheld blow dryer. See how tangled my hair is from just shampooing and not conditioning? Conditioning matters, people. And I know y'all gonna be in the comments, you're breaking your hair off, blah, 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 blah. I take really good care of my hair. It's just this process right here. I don't think it's safe. Seriously. Hello? Rye? What you doing? smell nasty, see? I don't know where she at. I don't know. Go look in the kitchen. This towel is getting on my nerves. If I lied, I need it back. I'm going to do the front two off camera and then I'll be back. So I just finished putting all of the protein treatment in my hair. Was it enough? No. Did I make it work? Yes. Because I didn't get two, or I didn't get the bit. My neck is sticky. This is what it looks like. Child, my neck, my neck, my back. I'm gonna finish it in the comments. Actually, don't, because this is a PG channel. I'm trying to be here. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I'm combing my hair. Let's see, guys. I've been doing it for about 5 minutes. Hair ain't hard. Well, it's getting hard. It's big, actually. Okay, y'all, so my hair is fully dry now. Like you can see, it's like, I feel like if I were to like scrunch it, it would just break like instantly. So yeah, this is my hair. As you see, it's not moving except this, but everything else not moving. Okay, y'all, so that is, no it's not. What am I doing? I was gonna end the video. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go rinse my hair with warm water in the sink and then apply this balancing moisturizer conditioner. And it says, use on wet hair to maintain moisture, detangle, and improve manageability. Apply liberally to damp hair. What do you mean liberally? Like it ain't but this much in there. To damp hair after shampoo. Was I supposed to do this after I shampooed? Wow. Okay, whatever. Massage gently into hair and scalp. Wait 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, dry, and style. Oh, no. It says always use immediately after the treatment to restore softness. I did it right. As I put the conditioner in, it was really, really soft. So that's a plus. So it does what it says. It did restore the softness to my hair. So that was really good. Like instantly, as soon as I put it in, I felt like a major difference. And right now so once I rinsed out the conditioner that it came with, it's a 2-step protein treatment. So after I rinsed out that conditioner, I put a little bit of deep conditioner in and I just put my hair in a towel because I'm about to deep condition for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you like to see how I do my mini twist protectors, that's a tongue twister. Be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have the bell on because that is going to be uploaded next. I mean, like directly after this video. Let's see. So yeah, it's a little bit of conditioner if you see any white thing. Deep conditioner actually. So my hair is really, really soft, surprisingly, y'all. I thought I was like scared for my hair because it was like super, well I tell you super hard, it was super hard, but the conditioner brought it on back. I can actually detangle now with ease. Look at that. Look at it. I said you look at it. Wow. That's crazy. And I'm not going to do my lock method on camera because it honestly takes up too much time. But I just want you guys to see how this protein treatment worked, how I did it, in case you were wanting to give it a try. And deep conditioning is really important because the protein treatment in the shampoo really strips your hair of all its oils. So deep conditioning is very, very important. Please don't skip this step. Conditioner. And yeah. What? Okay. I ain't saying no more. I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for an hour. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care, and I'll see y'all in the next one.